2012 Honda CR-V right here. The customer states there was smoke coming out from their hood, and I actually smell the smoke. It smells like burnt clutch material, and I think I'm gonna check this outside to not stink up the entire shop. Definitely a scrapey noise coming from over here. Oh yeah. Smells like burnt clutch for you, bud. Try to get some light in there. And, oh boy. And oh buddy. Oh boy. So that compressor clutch is engaged right now, but the clutch is not spinning. I can see sparks coming off of it. So they have their AC on, they sure do. Let's see if it disconnects. Sounds like it did. Blah. Blah. Yeah. Huh. Deep breath. Type off. Deep breath. Oh yeah, bud. Alright. Yeah. Okay. We're turning that off. Sheesh. So we are looking at a seized compressor. The internals of the compressor are not turning, so when the clutch engages, the compressor can't turn, so it's just sliding on the clutch. The pulley obviously spins fine, or else the car wouldn't be able to start, but I can also tell I think the clutch is actually engaging and disengaging, but obviously everything down there is overheated. So I'm gonna assume that the compressor is seized up. The coil is obviously roasted, the clutch is roasted, and the pulley is roasted. There's clutch material on that pulley, so anytime that clutch burns out, you have to replace the pulley. But yeah, that's why I like to check things like this outside. So now I can just write up a rec for a compressor, leave her outside, and bring it in when I actually have the part. So new compressor for you, bud. Ugh.